Heyo, it's Mr. P again, and we're here with another exciting science video. Now today we're going to be talking about asking questions. Now asking questions is the first step in the scientific method, and fourth graders are really good about asking questions, but not so good about asking these kinds of questions.
Oh, Mr. P, can I use the bathroom? Oh, Mr. P, can I use the bathroom? Mr. P, I have a question. Ooh, Mr. P, can I have a piece of candy? Mr. P, do you like French toast?
Now, asking questions is a really important thing for scientists to do. Actually, it's kind of the whole point of doing science to begin with, is asking questions. Scientists need to know about the world around them, and to figure out the world around them, they have to ask questions. Asking questions is the key component to starting off any big science experiment. But there's a way of going about this. There's good and there's bad questions to ask. And it's kind of up to us to figure out how those questions should be asked. Let's provide a couple examples. First, we're going to provide a bad example of asking questions, and then we're going to provide a good example of asking questions.
Gerbils, why are you so large?
Gerbils, what in your diet makes you so large?
Gerbils, why do you pile on top of each other?
Gerbils, do you sleep on top of each other to keep warm? Can you see how the first question was a bad question and the second question was a good question? Maybe or maybe not. The first question specifically focused on just the general. It was asking why the gerbils were so large. It's a question that can't necessarily be answered or defined or an experiment to do with, unlike the second question, which is thorough and explains what we're trying to figure out. Why or what in the gerbil diet would cause them to be enlarged to begin with. That could be tested. We could do an experiment with that, unlike the first question that we were asking. Now, we can ask lots and lots of questions, but we have to make sure that the questions that we are asking are good questions, questions that are going to help us to either define the problem that we have in front of us or to figure out a solution to that possible problem that we have. That's all for today.